Hi all, so let's talk today about an interesting topic that is inflammation. So before jumping into inflammation, let me ask you a few questions. Are you a person, if you have any pain or any symptoms or any stiffness, just running behind any random oils or random powder, applying that by following the YouTube reel and Instagram reel? Then this video is completely dedicated to you dears because applying any random oil or random powder is not going to subside your inflammation. Yeah, so I'm Dr. Kavitha. Since past 16 years, I am working as an Ayurvedic practitioner. My field of interest is mainly in treating thyroid diseases, skin diseases, hair diseases and also hormonal issues. So let's come to our topic. So what is inflammation? So inflammation is actually body's protective mechanism against injury or any inflammation that is happening inside our body. Inflammation is mainly of two types, acute inflammation and chronic inflammation. So what is acute inflammation? Yeah, suddenly if you are developing a swelling in your body, maybe due to a fall or maybe due to a fever or maybe due to an insect bite, it is called acute. Then how about chronic? Yeah, there are some people who are having pain and swelling since months and since years. So it is chronic inflammation. So here also we have to rule out why we are getting that swelling and pain, isn't it? Without ruling out that swelling and pain, just applying any random oil will not help you. According to Ayurveda, inflammation is called as Pitta. So what is Pitta? Pitta means it produces the heat. It produces the inflammation. When it is excess, then what happens? It can burn the tissues also. So why we are developing this inflammation? Let's check out what are the reasons why our body is producing inflammation. First main thing is unhealthy food habit. Are you a person who is so much needed of curd, sour food items, spicy food items, pickle? Then dears, swelling is not at all going to leave you. It is going to create you many lifestyle diseases. Yes, so unhealthy food habits is one main thing. Not like this. Are you fond of processed food items, bakery food items, junk food items? Everything is so crispy, tasty, salty, but it is creating inflammation inside your body. Second main thing is, are you taking food on time? Yeah, many people skip the food. They not take the food on time. Otherwise, what is the third thing they are doing? They will be keeping on taking the food. Mindful eating is very much important. Otherwise, this also can create inflammation inside your body. Now, let's go with the third factor. Are you sleeping late? Or are you not able to get good sleep? Or are you stressed out? In these factors also, there is cortisol hormone production inside your body. This is again triggering inflammatory factors. And next main thing is sedentary lifestyle. So most of us are having a sedentary lifestyle, right? When we are following a sedentary lifestyle, here the blood circulation is not happening properly, lymphatic circulation is not happening properly. This can increase the inflammation inside your body. So this is a main factor. And what about the fifth factor? Environmental toxins. Of course, pollution, but it's not only pollution. You're going outside, somebody is selling an oil, telling that it can relieve all the pain, you are buying. That person is not even having a medical degree. So you are giving only that much importance to your body? Very pathetic, isn't it? You are applying that oil and your pain and inflammation is increasing. Yeah. Definitely, they belong to environmental toxin. Not like this. We can see many of the people who used to keep on applying these cosmetic products on the skin, right? And are they getting any good things? No. There also the pain, swelling and inflammation is increasing. So, in all the aspect, always Ayurveda is giving importance to your digestive fire. So if your digestive fire is proper, that is your digestion, absorption, metabolism, everything is proper, you are healthy. Otherwise, what is happening? These toxins is accumulating inside your body, creating inflammation inside your body. Now let's check which all part of the body you are having inflammation. So as soon as you wake up, are you having a face swelling? So what does a face swelling indicate? If you are a person with Kapha Prakriti, definitely you will be having a face swelling. In abnormal way, how it is indicating? If you are having any hormonal imbalance, if you are having any thyroid imbalance, if you are having any cardiac issues, if you are having any kidney issues, these all indicate that you are having a face swelling. Now, some persons have a property of, their body have a property of fluid retention. So, if your body is having a property of fluid retention also, you may develop face swelling. And now, you are seeing swelling on your skin. So what does the swelling on your skin indicate? Of course, acne, psoriasis, eczema. In these conditions and all, there will be a pain and swelling. How about swelling in your stomach? Swelling in your stomach indicate that your digestion is not proper. You can see the symptoms in the form of bloating, gastritis, acidity. Okay. And how about the swelling on your legs? The swelling on your legs indicate that your lymphatic drainage is not proper. Your blood circulation is not proper. Usually the lymph have to flow from downward to upward direction. But is that is coming possible if you are keeping on sitting or keeping on standing? No, we can see swelling at the leg in the end of the day in most of the people, right? It is mainly because of these issues. How about swelling on the feet? Yeah, we can see swelling on the feet in some of the people. So swelling on the feet in some of the people is mainly due to the fluid retention. Also, if you have any cardiac disease, kidney disease, liver disease, or are you a person who is keeping on taking modern medicines for some of the lifestyle diseases, obviously you can also develop these type of swellings. So dears, let me tell you, if somebody is selling you any magical oil, it can be any influencer and they are telling this oil can solve all your issues. Please don't trust them blindly because we have to rule out why you are having this swelling, right? Without ruling the cause of these symptoms, if you are simply applying the oil, what is this oil going to do? This oil is actually trapping the toxins inside your body, increasing the pain, inflammation and symptoms. And finally, you will be coming to a conclusion. Oh God, Ayurveda is also not working for me. It is not Ayurveda not working for you. You have to rule out this with the help of an Ayurveda doctor. So how does an Ayurveda doctor deal with this case? Okay, I am Dr. Kavita Dev. I am working since 16 years in Ayurveda field. My field of interest is in thyroid, cosmetology and trichology. So here, let me tell you one thing dears. Actually, we will be assessing your gut. So how to assess your gut? How is your digestion, absorption, metabolism, elimination process? Then we will be ruling out the reasons. You are from which place, which all food is sapnya to you, which all food type you are fond of. Many people are fond of this pickle, curd, biryani items and all, fried items and all. If you are not cutting that food items, definitely you are never going to get rid of inflammation. So we have to give you lifestyle advices also. So we have to check your diet. So we have to check your lifestyle. After that only we have to give you medicines. That also not going with the firstly on the external application medicine. Because the problem is inside, right? Without curing it from the inside, if you are applying something externally, will that help? It is not at all going to help you. Okay. So this is how an Ayurveda doctor will be helping you to get rid of your pain in an inflammation. And let me tell you some few easy tips you can follow in your home to reduce the inflammation. First main thing is that go to bed early, wake up early. That is my favorite quote and I always follow it myself to my family and I make it a rule to most of my patients also. Other main thing is that always make sure you are doing some exercise. Without doing some exercise, how is your blood circulation and lymphatic circulation is possible? Always drink warm water. Not any carbonated drinks or soft drinks because it is again diminishing your digestive fire, resulting you in more on complicated cases. Okay, so these things are simple but try to follow this and take your food on time. It is very important. If you have any issue with your digestion, always meet your doctor first. Try to clear that first. If you're having constipation also, you have to clear out that first. Okay. So let's rule out the reason and then treat the disease and get healed well in your case. Okay, so this is my short note about inflammation. Hoping that this video was helpful for you. If you have any doubt, please drop your queries in the comment section. Thank you dears for watching video. Take care.